What's up guys, it's another video, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Today in this video I'll discuss about best game booster for Android 2020. In today's video friends, I will give you two applications. Number 1 is game mode and number 2 is game booster. First application is only for blocking notification and calls. You can easily block notification and calls without using any VPN. And twin application is a game booster, boost your gaming performance. If you properly do that all settings, then your lag will be 100% fixed. I apologize in advance, I can't speak English very well. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started.
But before they begin, go to Telegram app, search Handography World and join the channel. Also our other social media platform available. Link in the description.
You can get the download link of this application in my video description. Download it from there. After complete download, now we are going to the settings option. Now open settings. Then go to the about section. Then click MIUI version or build number 5 to 7 times. Now you are a developer. Back and find additional settings. Then scroll down and click developer option. Now scroll down and find background process limit. Click this and set Atmos 1. Now scroll down and enable Force 4x MSA. Now scroll down and enable Force GPU rendering. After done this, now back to the home screen. First open game mode application. After few seconds, open this application. If you want to read this, so read. Otherwise click I understood. Now enable permission, then allow, then back. Here you can see an option game mode disabled. Just click and enable this. After done this, go to the home screen. Now open Game Booster application. Now scroll down and click OK. Here you can see interface of this application. Just scroll down and edit your games. Here I added Call of Duty Mobile. If you want edit any other games, so edit. Click edit section and edit your games. After done this, back to the game booster. Now click Call of Duty icon. Here you can see edit configuration option. First click CPU and select 2.3 GHz. Then select resolution, lowest 720p. Then select frame rate. If you want 60 fps, so select 60 fps. If you want 30 fps, so select 30 fps. And otherwise select 120 fps. Anti-aliasing disable. After done this, click right icon and then OK. Now your game booster is ready. Open your game and enjoy your lag-free experience. Today's video ends here. See you in the next video. How do you like the video? Let me know by commenting. Goodbye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.